Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili dogs, just like Sonic enjoys. First, let's get our chili base ready. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef and about half a cup of diced onions. Brown the beef with the onions in a pan, making sure to drain any extra fat. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt for that classic flavor. Next, we'll get that chili simmering to perfection. Pour in 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 cup of water. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. It really gives the chili a unique, tangy kick that's essential for this recipe. Stir everything together well, then let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld. Now for the fun part. Assembling your chili dogs. You'll want to prepare about 8 hot dogs. You can grill them, pan-fry them, or even boil them until they're nicely browned and heated through. While your hot dogs are cooking, warm up 8 hot dog buns. A light toast can add a nice texture. Finally, place each hot dog in a bun and generously spoon on your delicious homemade chili. To finish off your Sonic-style chili dogs, add your favorite toppings. Shredded cheddar cheese and finely diced white onions are classic choices that really elevate the flavor. Serve them up immediately while everything is warm and fresh for the best possible taste experience. You've just made some incredible chili dogs. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.